Welcome to this video of Burns Farm campsite in Keswick, or near Keswick, in the Lake District. I've been visiting this site on and off for 20 years now. It's my happy place. I love coming here. It's tranquil, beautiful scenery in and around the campsite itself, and plenty of things to do in and around the campsite and in Keswick itself, which is about 3 miles. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Burns Farm is almost 90 years old. It is among one of the oldest working farm sites in the Lake District. It was bought back in 1936 by Arthur Lamb. It is now managed by the third and fourth generation of the Lamb family. Since 2018, Burns Farm has been transformed from a traditional Lakeland farm caravan site into award-winning caravan, camping and glamping site, with 5-star bespoke accommodation with hot tubs, modern amenities, family bell tents, fully serviced caravan pitches and allocated camping non-electric pitches. Today the campsite is run by David and Linda Lamb and their 4 children. As well as running the farm, they look after the campsite. There has been massive improvements since 2011, as you will see in this video. Directly in front of us, where the brown doors are, that's where the original shower blocks for the men and the women were allocated. Since then, the building behind, you can see with the sort of green roof, that's where the new toilets and shower blocks are today. The luxury cabins are designed exclusively for adults. They are now completed. These pictures were taken in 2022 and we are now in 2024. The cabins have been completed. There are 14 altogether, offering a relaxed, tranquil atmosphere with minimum distractions. All 14 cabins have their own private hot tub and outdoor barbecue area and accommodate a maximum of 2 adults. There are 3 non-electric campfields. They are named Chewett, Skiddaw and Blease. Chewett is the largest of the fields. It is dog friendly and has big super pitches. with a maximum of 2 adults per pitch. Skiddaw, the furthest from the amenities but with amazing views, are dog friendly, maximum of 2 adults per pitch. And Blease, which is the smallest field on the site with only 20 pitches, it also has the smallest size pitches, ideal for solo camping or tents smaller than 4 man. Maximum of 2 adults per pitch, but no dogs allowed on this field. The Bell tents are decorated to a cosy standard with king-size bed, luxury pennant and fluffy towels. They each accommodate a maximum of 2 adults and 2 children. The Bell tents come with a basic camping kitchen and fire pit. The Bell tents are not designed to be dog friendly. The Bell tents are pitched on wooden decking from May to September in the beautiful Blencathra grass field. The 5 Bell tents are named Herdwick, Swaledale, Blueface Leicester, Kerry Hill and Rough Fell. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, liked it, give us a thumbs up, give us a like and subscribe for more adventures with micro campers. See you soon.